everyone, welcome back to my page. This is your girl, Miss Rita F. Brewer. I like cooking. I'm cooking dinner, and today's dinner is onion and egg sauce. Today I'm cooking, and I have my garlic. I took it from the freezer. I put it in the water so I can beat it up. This is my Maggie, Maggie. This is my curry powder. You already know my spices that I use for myself, and I also have my Vegeta, the powerful sauce, the powerful seasoning, and this is my salt, my tomato paste, and I already put my oil in the pan. So watch it as I do with no meat, just the egg and the onion. God bless you, and please follow, please. Bye. Alright guys, my video is about to end. Don't forget to watch out for part 2. I'm gonna show you guys part 2, how I finish and what I'm eating the onion and egg sauce with. So don't go anywhere, stay there, follow me, watch part 2. Alright everyone, this is part 2. So I'm continuing. Don't forget to follow me. God bless you. May God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. Please follow me and also go to my YouTube channel, Miss Rita F. Brewer, and also subscribe. It's free. God bless you. Ciao, Bella. Happy Easter.